Imagine a world where the engine in your car isn't powered by gas or even electricity in the way we know it. What if your car could drive itself, or if it could run on clean energy with zero emissions and a much smaller environmental impact? The future of cars is here, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about engines and transportation. Today, we're going to look at the next generation of engines and how they're transforming cars into something completely different. From electric power to self-driving technology, let's count down the top ways cars are evolving for the future. 10. The rise of electric vehicles, EVs. At number 10, we can't talk about the future of engines without addressing electric vehicles, or EVs. Over the past few years, electric cars have gained massive popularity, and it's clear why. Unlike traditional gas-powered engines, electric motors are much simpler and more efficient. They don't need a complex set of moving parts like pistons or valves, which makes them more reliable and lower maintenance. Plus, they're better for the environment because they don't produce emissions. More automakers are investing in EV technology, and governments around the world are encouraging this shift with incentives and laws that push for cleaner, greener transportation. As battery technology continues to improve, electric cars will become even more affordable, practical, and capable, making them a major part of the future. 9. Hydrogen fuel cells. Coming in at number 9, hydrogen fuel cells are another potential game changer in the future of car engines. A hydrogen fuel cell works by combining hydrogen gas with oxygen from the air to create electricity, which then powers the car. The byproduct of this process is water vapor. No pollution, no emissions. This makes hydrogen-powered cars one of the cleanest options out there. While hydrogen cars are still in the early stages compared to electric vehicles, the technology is improving. One of the main challenges right now is the infrastructure needed to produce and distribute hydrogen fuel. But as the demand for cleaner energy grows, it's likely we'll see more hydrogen refueling stations and cars powered by this tech in the coming years. 8. Hybrid engines. The best of both worlds. Number 8 is all about hybrid engines, which combine both a gas engine and an electric motor. Hybrids offer the best of both worlds. They can run on electricity for short trips, reducing emissions and fuel consumption. But they still have a gas engine for longer trips when charging isn't practical. This balance makes hybrids a great transition for people who aren't ready to fully commit to electric vehicles, but still want a cleaner option. Some hybrids even use regenerative braking, which recycles energy to recharge the battery while you drive. As hybrid technology continues to evolve, we can expect more powerful and efficient hybrid engines, making them even more appealing to drivers who want flexibility and sustainability. 7. Self-charging batteries. Number 7 on our list is the idea of self-charging batteries. Traditional electric vehicles need to be plugged in to recharge, but scientists and engineers are working on systems that could allow cars to charge themselves while driving. One technology that's being tested involves roads with embedded charging systems, where the car can pick up electricity from the road itself. Another possibility is regenerative braking, where the car's own motion and braking energy can be converted back into power. Self-charging cars would make owning an electric vehicle more convenient, removing the need to stop at charging stations. While we're not there yet, it's an exciting possibility that could change the way we think about energy use in cars. 6. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars. Now let's talk about autonomous vehicles, or self-driving cars, coming in at number 6. Imagine never having to drive your car again. Instead, you could just sit back, relax, and let the car take you wherever you need to go. Autonomous vehicles are equipped with sensors, cameras, and software that allow them to navigate without human input. While there are still some technical challenges to overcome, such as perfecting safety features and adapting to complex driving conditions, self-driving cars are becoming more realistic every day. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are already testing these cars on the roads. And as the technology improves, we may see a future where self-driving cars are the norm. This could completely transform the driving experience and the way we think about car engines. 5. Smart engines with AI integration. At number 5, we have smart engines powered by artificial intelligence, AI. We already have engines that can adjust to different driving conditions, but the future takes this even further. AI systems in engines can optimize performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions in real time based on factors like terrain, speed, and weather conditions. Think about your car automatically adjusting its settings for maximum efficiency while you're driving on a hilly road, or how it can change performance when driving through the city versus the highway. AI integration will lead to cars that feel more personalized and responsive to each individual driver. As AI technology becomes more advanced, the driving experience will become smoother, safer, and more efficient. The shift to lightweight materials, number 4, is all about materials. In the future, car engines won't just be about power, they'll also focus on reducing weight. The lighter the car, the more efficiently it can run, and the less energy it needs to use to get from point A to point B. To achieve this, manufacturers are increasingly turning to lightweight materials like carbon fiber, aluminum, and other advanced composites. These materials are strong and durable, but much lighter than traditional steel. Reducing the weight of vehicles can improve speed, fuel efficiency, and handling, all of which will make future cars perform better while also being better for the environment. 3. Wireless charging for electric vehicles. At number 3, let's talk about wireless charging, which is a game changer for electric vehicles. Instead of having to plug in your car every time it needs a recharge, wireless charging systems allow cars to charge just by parking on a specially equipped surface. These charging stations use magnetic fields to transfer energy from the ground to your vehicle's battery. In the future, this technology could be implemented at home, at public charging stations, and even on the roads. If your car could charge while parked or even while driving on a specially equipped highway, it would eliminate range anxiety and make driving electric vehicles even more convenient. 2 electric motors with more power and efficiency. Number 2 is about the continuous improvement of electric motors. One of the challenges with electric vehicles is that, traditionally, they haven't offered the same kind of power and acceleration as gas-powered cars. But that's changing fast. New innovations in electric motor technology are making these engines more powerful and efficient. Some electric motors are even becoming smaller and lighter while offering more torque, which is the twisting force that makes a car accelerate.